The video showing officers rushing to the scene, running through the hall to the victim's apartment. The officer who fired her weapon was right there. ABC's Marcus Moore inside the courtroom today.
Tonight, for the first time, we are seeing the chaos and confusion from multiple viewpoints. The night Dallas police responded to Amber Guyger's frantic 911 call. She had just shot and killed 26-year-old Botham Jean inside his own home. The powerful and sometimes graphic images show the desperate race to reach the 4th floor and that sprint down a long hallway where they encounter their now former colleague. Several officers taking turns performing CPR on Jean. And prosecutors highlighting this video to suggest Guyger received preferential treatment, not isolated initially, and here seen hugging a fellow officer. Even allowed to sit in a patrol car looking at her phone while Jean was rushed to the hospital. Guyger claims after an almost 14-hour workday, she mistakenly went to the wrong floor.
Nah, they wouldn't treat anybody else like that.
She walked into what she thought was her home and saw someone inside. She assumed it was an intruder and opened fire. But today, prosecutors pressed one responding officer about the protocol when an officer believes that a burglary is in progress.
What do you do?
Get covered.
Is that because of the sanctity of human life?